Dear friends, welcome to Student Impulse. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Tanjavur location. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos on job openings. Please do not pay money for any kind. Firstly, there is a job opening at Fission Digital Services. They are looking for junior associate engineer, junior QA engineer. Salary offered up to 8,000 a month. They wanted only fresher graduates and computer science background. They are currently hiring highly talented fresher graduates for their Tanjavur location. Qualification must have BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BCA, MCA, BSc degree in any major. IT background is preferred. Must have at least 60% grade in undergraduate course. Must possess positive attitude to learn new skills and have passion for the job. Education qualification is bachelor as specified there, and required documents, address proof, Aadhaar card, programming language needed. Maybe they may prefer the skill set HTML, CSS, C++, Visual Basic, .NET. As they specify, this is for freshers. You do not have to have mandatorily having this skill set. If you have basic skills of this one of the programming language mentioned, even though you can apply for this, you can apply through this provided email ID. You can share your resume. If you have any questions, ask me in comments. I will be replying for that. Next, Satyam Bio. They are looking for sales officer. Designation is sales officer. Experience minimum 3 years to 5 years required. Qualification BSc Agriculture or MSc Agriculture, BTech Agriculture. Locations are specified here. Tanjavur is one of them. And this requires two-wheeler is must. So, and this is also for male candidates only. I have provided the official address details and contact number. You can check with this. Pro HR Solutions Private Limited. They are looking for collection executive bank. Salary offered up to 26,500 a month. Leading bank required collections executive and area collection manager for their branches in these locations. Tanjavur is one of them. Qualification 10th, 12th, graduation, any degree. Experience at least minimum 1 to 3 years of experience in field working in banking or NBFC, and schedule is day shift. Supplemental pay is offered, joining bonus. You can contact on the given address or you can also contact on the given phone number for further details. Next, Mallika Furniture and Electronics LLP. They are looking for retail sales trainer. Salary offered up to 25,000 a month. Responsibilities are as below. Design and execute orientation programs for sales teams. Conduct onboarding training sessions for new hires. Act as consultant to salespeople for challenges they have on the job. Assign mentors and coaches to new sales team members. Observe how salespeople interact with clients to identify areas of improvement. Determine training needs both for individuals and teams. Organize role playing activities to simulate difficult client cases. Example, how to overcome objections. Advise salespeople how to upsell products and services. Maintain updated records of training curriculum and material. Developing professional communication, observation, and analytical skills to salesperson for perfect customer handling. Requirements: work experience as a professional trainer, a retail trainer, a sales trainer, or similar role. Experience in retail industry, preferably in furniture sales. Ability to travel and visit our retail stores as needed. Ability to manage the full training cycle, including conducting in-person activities and using learning programming programs in Tamil language. Excellent presentation skills. Ability to motivate employees to achieve sales goals. BSc degree in education, human resources are relevant field. Additional trainer certification in employees training is a plus. You can contact on the given phone number for further details. I've also included official email ID address and address details here. You can check with that. There is a job openings for AR trainee at Burroughs Business Solutions India Private Limited. Salary offered up to 12,000 a month. Job summary is as below. Candidates with good attitude and communication skill, any degree or diploma holder, ready to work in night shift, that is US shift, flexibility towards work and ability to adapt organization culture, ability to multitask, a good analytical, oral and written skills. Immediate joiners are preferred. Job description is as below. Responsible for processing US healthcare enrollment and billing requests from physician services, member services and billing services to access and resolve inquiries, requests and grievances from members and provides and to be attentive to details, ensure the customer's inquiries are resolved as high priority, excellent analytical skills and able to interpret data and possess strong verbal and written communication skills, ensure efficiency measures are met in accordance with performance metrics and process guidelines. So as per their update, salary offered is up to 12,000 a month and they have not mentioned any experience requirements. You can check with the company on the given phone number or the address given for further details and get to know more information. And this is a US shift and they have not mentioned any gender difference. So males and females both are eligible for this. You can check with the company for further details. Next, there is a job openings for advice consultancy services. They are looking for student counselor. This is only for female candidate. You can contact on the given phone number for further details. Main duties for this, as mentioned, is advising potential students on education opportunities abroad, advising students on application procedures, visa applications, accommodation, and preparing students for their abroad studies, assisting with activities to promote education institutions represented by the company, maintaining accurate ledger and computer records of students counseled and applications sent to universities, liaising with students, other offices and client institutions, assisting with the general running of the office to ensure smooth operations, should be able to maintain and produce regular flow of follow-up of clients. Job description is as below. Generate prospective potential new clients to increase business. Meet potential clients by growing, maintaining and leveraging your network. Identifying potential clients and their decision makers within the client organization, research and build relationships with new clients, plan approaches and pitches, work with team to develop proposals that speaks of clients' needs, concerns and objectives, use a variety of styles to pursue and negotiate appropriately, present an image that mirrors that of the client, understand the company's goal and purpose to enhance the company's performance, to ensure the student parent satisfaction, sorting out the students and parents query, lead them accordingly if they come across any ambiguity, establishing and maintaining good rapport with prospective students, helping students or parents to make decisions and choices regarding possible ways forward. You can contact on the given phone number for further details. I have also included the address details here. You can check with that. Initially, you can contact on the given phone number as they specifically is mentioned to contact for regarding the job application. And the salary offered for this is up to 30,000 a month based on your skill set. Next, there is a job opening for pharmacist at Dr. Mohan's Diabetes Specialty Center. Salary offered up to 13,000 a month. Job description is as below. Billing and issuing the medicines to the patients with warm smile and politeness. Entering GRN in system. Entering the purchase bills in Excel for payment processing. Checking the medicines as per the bills received from the supplier and arranging them into their respective places. Maintaining the temperature log register on daily basis, depositing the daily cash collection to the accounts department, arranging the company-wise bills, generating and submitting the daily collection report, credit sales and company sales report to the internal auditors, coordinating with the HOD and assisting assistant manager for all new and routine process of the department. Note, candidates should have Tamil Nadu Pharmacy Registration Certificate. Required male candidate. You can contact on the given phone number Mr. Karthikeyan 735822077. You can contact on the given number. And as they mentioned, candidate must have Tamil Nadu Pharmacy Registration Certificate, and this is only for male candidate. Salary offered up to 13,000 a month. Next, there is a job openings for same diabetes center in Tanjavuru, that Dr. Mohan's Diabetes Center. They have openings for various positions: front office executives, receptionist, dietitians, staff nurse, lab technician, lab technologist, pharmacist. I have provided the all details here, qualifications and experience required for each thing, each position. For front office executive receptionist, any graduate experience is required, 3 years of experience. And for dietitians, Qualification BSc, MSc, NND. Experience required 2+ years. Position staff nurse. Qualification BSc or GNM nursing. Experience required 5 years. Position lab technician or a lab technologist. Qualification DMLT, BSc, MLT. Experience required 3+ years. Position pharmacist. D pharmacy or B pharmacy with Tamil Nadu registration certificate and experience 2 years. You can contact on the given number for further details. 73582207777, Mr. Karthikeyan. I have also included the official contact address and phone number and email ID here. You can check with that. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. If you have any another job requirements which is not listed in this video, let me know in comments. I will be replying for that.